Notcoin, what is it? How does it work, and is it possible to make money on the main crypto game of 2024? The link to register in the project is in the comments to the video. Now about the project itself. In 2010, developer Gavin Andresen launched the first Bitcoin faucet, a website where you could get 5 Bitcoins for solving a simple CAPTCHA. The idea was to popularize Bitcoin among a wide audience. This concept continued to evolve. Every year similar startups and services appeared, experimenting with formats. Today, the community is discussing the release of a Notcoin clicker game based on the Ton blockchain. This project instantly attracted millions of users. Even those who are far from the crypt world are actively clicking in the hope of earning something. What is the uniqueness of Notcoin, and what can this project expect next? Notcoin, what is it? Notcoin was created by the Open Builders team focused on projects in the Ton ecosystem. Earlier in 2023, their Ton Starter launchpad attracted more than 1.5 million investments. The idea of Notcoin was first presented in November 2023 at the International Gateway Developers Conference in Dubai. Telegram, headed by Pavel Durov, also participated in the event. The public launch of the game took place on January 1, 2024. What does Pavel Durov himself have to do with Notcoin? The developers emphasized that Telegram had a key impact on the success of the project. At the same time, Durov himself did not publicly say anything about Notcoin. The rapid rise of Notcoin is impressive. If 500,000 people played Clicker at the start, then by January 31 this number had grown to 21.3 million users. For comparison, JPT Chat scored 1 million in the week after its release. By the end of January, 23 trillion coins were fed into Notcoin, of which 7 trillion were burned according to the mechanics of the game. As the developers themselves note, Notcoin has become the most popular entertainment in Telegram. The secret is the simplicity of the clicker and the absence of restrictions. The gameplay is elementary, and referral links motivate players to share Notcoin with friends. Game Guide: how does Notcoin work? How to play and farm Notcoin. It's simple. There is a coin that you need to click on, periodically catching a rocket to accelerate the set of levels. However, entertainment is not limited to one click. The clicker has its own chips, bonuses and mechanics. Let's go through each one. Squads: players join teams where they farm Notcoins together. There are no mechanics related to squads yet, but you can pick up a bonus when you join. In addition, the functionality of the squares will definitely expand. As the developers themselves say, the best squads will have a royal battle here, just for fun, so be prepared. Leagues: there are 5 leagues in the game: Bronze, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. When you set the score threshold, you automatically move to a higher rank and receive a reward. League points are not the same as the total coin balance, only your clicks will be counted in it. Energy farm 24/7, with all your desire, you will not succeed. The game provides energy that is spent with each of your clicks. The amount and speed of its recovery can be increased, but more on that later. French: invite friends and earn coins. The more points your referrals score, the more bonuses you get. If your referrals have a premium Telegram account, then the reward is multiplied. Earn is what makes the project monetized. There are a number of advertising tasks here. Notcoins are issued for each completed task. Here, users subscribe to crypto channels, test platforms, games, etc. Some tasks will require only time from you, while others, for example, replenish your wallet, require a minimum balance of a Telegram wallet of 7 tons. Skins: if you are tired of this yellow coin on the background, then you can replace it by completing the task or spending Notcoins. And there is also a secret skin, which you may have noticed in the screenshot above. To get it, you need to type the word wake up on the coin in Morse code. So far, it is not entirely clear what skins are for and what they give. The question of whether it is worth buying Notcoin skins remains open, but there is a prospect that they will be screwed up as NFT. Secrets of how to earn a lot in Notcoin? Of course, you can farm by simply clicking on the coin. But, this way, you won't have many Notcoins. How to mine tens of millions of Notcoins? To speed up coin farming, there are boosts. There are 6 of them in total. Full energy allows you to fully restore your energy. This boost is free and is updated every day. Turbo, after activation, a rocket will appear next to the coin. You must have time to click on it, then the number of coins mined will increase for a short time, and energy will stop being spent. This boost is also free and is updated every 24 hours. Multi-tab, when pumping, you get more coins. For example, at level 10, you farm 10 coins at once per click. Energy limit, the number of Notcoins that you can get in one go. Each boost increases energy by 500. Recharging speed, increases the rate of energy recovery. Auto Tap Bot, the most important boost. This is a bot that will mine coins while you are not online. It turns on immediately, but charges coins only after an hour. In total, it can work for up to 12 hours, then you need to log into the application and collect the coins you have earned. It is not possible to exchange or send coins to other players yet. But the developers say that such a feature may appear in the future. Telegram Premium is worth mentioning separately. How do I get a premium and why do I need it? To subscribe, go to Settings and select the appropriate option. You will be offered 2 subscription options, for a month or a year in advance with a discount. Premium increases income from referrals, allows you to complete some tasks in the Earn, and also strengthens your missiles. The listed game mechanics allowed players to earn tens or even hundreds of millions of coins. Of course, there are also dishonest tactics, for example, playing on an Android emulator with auto-clickers and bot farming. We, like the developers, advise you to play fair. You never know what. How to start playing? All you need to do is switch to the Telegram bot from your mobile device. If you try to play from a computer, the bot will meet you with a curious message, "Dad, are you from a computer or something?" That won't do. Take your phone and go to a cozy place. Errors and problems with Notcoin. How to solve them? The game is not devoid of various bugs. This is caused by a monstrous load on the servers and technical limitations in the Telegram itself. Let's list common mistakes and what can be done about them. 1. The tasks are not completed. Most often, this is an error in the application itself. The developers are trying to fix them quickly, so try to close the tasks later. 2. The tap bot does not work. The auto-clicker starts collecting coins as soon as you stop farming manually. But he will give you the reward only after an hour. And the maximum is 12 hours. 3. The rocket does not fire. It's a common bug and there's nothing you can do about it. 4. Clicks are not counted. Due to the load on the servers, sometimes there is a situation in which the application resets the newly mined coins. Do not log out of the application and do not update it. Give it time to register and save your actions. Now let's move on to why many are here and gathered. Will it be possible to make money on Notcoin? Earnings prospects? It's just like in the joke about the probability of meeting a dinosaur, 50 to 50, either you will meet it or not. Just in case, we remind you that the information in this block is not financial advice, but you make all the decisions yourself. So, on January 27, the Open Builders Open team announced the imminent mint of coins. Your reward will depend on the balance. But the league, attracted referrals, and activity are also important. And the Notcoins will be gradually burned, reducing the total emission. When the coin is created, mining through clicks will stop. But pools will be introduced. What is meant in this case is not yet clear. No one knows when and where the listing will be. There is a hint from the developers. An inaccessible dragon coin skin appeared on one of the promo videos. This may refer to the Chinese New Year, which runs from February 10 to 24. From the same post, it can be understood that the developers want to remove all bots. And the coins on these accounts, apparently, will be burned. How to sell and withdraw a Notcoin? The question will be relevant after the listing. The course can be viewed on the Coin Market Cap. You can also follow all the latest news there. Notcoin transfers will be carried out on the Ton blockchain. Most likely, most of the pie will be bitten off by influencers who, thanks to the referral program, have accumulated hundreds of millions of coins. At the start of trading, the price will quickly go down, since most of the players will want to sell their coins immediately. But as more and more coins are burned, the rate may rise. In addition, the project's market maker has already said that he is going to buy back those volumes that will be launched on the market. It is impossible to predict the course, but you can draw analogies with other meme projects, Chiba, Floki. Their issue also amounts to tens of trillions of coins. That did not prevent us from reaching the rates of $20 to $30 per million tokens. There is every reason to assume that the capitalization and expected price of Notcoin will be higher. This is supported by the fact that the developers have already earned a huge amount of money from the project. And you can also recall the airdrop from Arbitrum. Early users received tokens worth $12 billion, at a historical maximum. That's it for me. Please like this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe and click the bell. This is how you will learn about new videos. Have a nice day and bye bye.